Hey, it's your boy. We're about to smash through episode 6 of Return. We, last episode went back in time again. We found Sen. And now we're trying to find the janitor to give us some keys so we can get to Sen. Okay. I locked myself out of my cabin. Can you please open the door? My apologies, sir. The porter has the cabin keys at this time. Then how am I gonna get back to my cabin? I can't sit eating soba in this place the entire trip. The porter is in the back of the train right now. I'll fetch the keys immediately. Sorry for the inconvenience. I locked myself out. Can't blame anyone else for that, I guess. That porter seemed a bit disorganized. I hope he didn't end up losing the keys. Come back here, boy. Oh, hi, ghost friend. Hi, what's wrong, little girl? I told you my name was Ayumi. Sorry, Ayumi, what's wrong? I lost another doll, although it's not really a doll, and I didn't quite lose it. What do you mean, Ayumi? I was shown the little boy on the train. Excuse me. I was showing the little boy on the train my Benruko puppet, and he was being such a boy, so I left it with him. But now I want it back. I'm sure if you just ask him. No, you need to get it from him. Please, be my ghost friend and get my puppet back for me. I don't want to see that poopy head boy anymore. Sure, I'll try. Where is he? He's with his mommy in the next car back. Okay, Yumi, don't worry, I got this. Okay, chill. Let me just look around. Alright. Lower your voice. That gentleman is trying to concentrate. A large, complex puppet that looks too fragile for the way the little boy is playing with it. Well, I'm trying to talk to the boy. Whoosh! Look, mother, it's the Soren Samurai. Oh, you. I think I have this melody right, but the piano feels out of tune for some reason. A small toy piano that the young man used to compose his melodies. Something glints from inside the piano. mean I have to come to the dining car to get a cup of tea? That's where our food is served, madam. Aha, the porter, and he's holding the key ring. Don't you madam me. This is a luxury excursion, isn't it? Luxury means that whatever I want comes to me, not the other way around. Of course, certainly. I'll bring you your tea right away. That's more like it. Oh no, he's holding that key ring tight. I'll have to get him to drop it to get that key away from him. How can I get him to drop those keys? He seems the skittish type. Maybe I can startle him into dropping them. I better look around, see if I can find anything that will do the trick. Are we traveling through molasses? This trip was scheduled to take 2 hours or so. Why does it feel like I've been on this train forever? A child's drawing flutters in through a crack in the side of the door. Child's drawing. Pretty piano. A sad tune opens its heart. And hearts hold the key. Something about that piano. How can I get these two to leave the puppet behind, even for a few seconds? It is not meant to be played with that way. You don't want to break it now, do you? How will I get it from them? I could scare them away by moving the puppet and having them think it's come to life, or I could distract them. I guess I'll try scaring them. What good is being a ghost friend if you can't act like a ghost once in a while? Oops. Now look what you've done. You've broken it. But Mom, I didn't. Pardon me, madam, but I am trying to work, and your dear son has interrupted me several times already. My apologies, sir. Apology accepted, but I'm afraid I must finish my work. I will be keeping this for now, and will give it back when I am done. Yes, of course. But Ma... Hush. Please do continue. My boy will not disturb you again. Thank you, madam. But I didn't do anything. You're a terror sometimes, young man. What will that little girl say when she finds you've broken her toy? It's not like I can afford to buy another one. But not another word. That didn't work. Now I have to get the puppet's body from the little boy and its head from that young man. And I still need to get the key from the porter to get Sen out of that room. Huh. E.J. Morris, you're a disgrace. Father, what is the meaning of this? Lower your voice. We are not the only ones in this car. Don't you tell me to lower my voice, boy. This is my train. I can throw you off my train if I so desire. Father, please. You come right this minute. Your little chambermaid. Hio? So it's true. Well, she told your dirty little secret to your mother. It almost killed her. Mother? Come along right now, son. We're gonna sort this all out, the three of us. Of course, Father. Let me gather my piano. Leave it. We're on a train. No one's gonna steal your infernal piano. March, boy, march. I said march, boy. Money sure didn't buy that family happiness. What, Mother? Hush and just keep playing with that headless doll. That poor boy and that girl, how sad for them both. Where's the... Does he not... He reminded me of Daddy. Mine son, that's what happens when sons embarrass their parents. Oh my goodness, such anger. I don't have time to mess with other people's rooms. Alright, well, I'm trying to figure out... I didn't see him. Bro, I don't know. What a cute little piano. Wait, did I really just have to play a certain amount of keys? Mother, did you hear some piano music? Why, you think that piano was playing by itself? I didn't know it could do that. Neither did I. It looks like an ordinary enough toy piano. Can we go see Mother, please? Well, alright, but just don't touch anything unless you'd like to answer to that young man's father. Not at all, Mother. I'll stand back. I just want to see. Alright, let's go sneak a look. Take it. Here's my chance. Got it. It's not doing anything. This is boring. Let's go back to our seats. Hehe. The puppet was here when we went to look at the piano. Perhaps the girl took it back. Alright, we got the... Alright, so... we need the head. Hey, do you want half the doll? Where's my puppet? Nope, okay. Oh. Oh, it's that handsome janitor. Is he crying? I've lost her. Her heart is with someone else, but I've tried so hard to make her happy. Without her love, I just don't know what the point of living is. Let them bomb us to hell. Wow, was he upset? He left such a mess. And he didn't even lock the trash bin. He was so distracted. Yuck, all this garbage. Hey, what's this? Diary page 2. He was the light of my life, but that light has dimmed. Was he truly ever my light or just a sunspot? I need more than light. I need flame. Someone new to nurture the ember now burning within me. And he will be mine before our journey ends. No wonder he was so upset. He's discovered he's losing his wife, and perhaps much more than that. All the garbage on the floor, he must have really been upset. Hey, what's this? Telegraph. Squadron closing in. Stop. Make emergency preparations. Stop. Keep everyone calm. Stop. Oh no, did someone try to hide this telegraph? I need to get it to the porter right away. Okay. Where did the porter go? You. If I bring tea to that woman right now, I'll be tempted just to spill it on her. I better wait till I calm down. Here. Where did this telegraph come from? Squadron? Oh no, this is terrible. I have to tell the chief engineer. He dropped his key ring. Only one key. I hope this will open Sen's room. Okay, save. Can't get in this room. Ah! Let's check it out. Oh, it's, his room. A composition page with a short melody. Ah, there we go. What a beautiful tune, but so melancholy. A handwritten haiku. Sad haiku. Our mountain of love has become the sheerest cliff. Our hearts tumble down. It looks like the young man was trying to write a sad tune to fit the poem. Hey, the head from Ayumi's puppet isn't here. I saw a young man take it. Where could it be? Oof. Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Hurry, before someone sees you. Oh, Kyo, why did you do that? You may have ruined everything. Oh, do you not love me any longer because I revealed our affair to your mother? Of course not. I didn't mean that. Then what's ruined? It's just that you've made things more difficult. No, Ijai, you're the one making things difficult. If you can't stand up for yourself, then stand up for me, for us. I will, just not now. You can and you will. You march back. I agree never to see you again. You what? Take it back. Take it back. I will, just not now. Let's get to Kyo, get some space to breathe, and you need to make a decision. Your parents or me. Mark my words. Ijai, Morris, if you don't make that decision soon, there will be no Kyoto for us. What? Kyo? Damn. She sucks. Kyo. Those two have troubles, but so do I. I still need to find a key to get sent out of that room, and I promised Ayumi I'd return her puppet intact. I better head toward the back of the train. I'm sure I'll find what I'm looking for. I want to feel sorry for this poor woman. She's obviously very ill, but even so, what she's doing to her son and that poor girl is unfair. Huh. Alright, I think I'm going to end this one here. We got the melody for the piano, and then I'm sure that probably has the doll head. I mean, give her the doll and see what's going to happen. I have a feeling someone's going to be hung up in that room 3. So, we'll find out in the next one. Bye.